Dear students, now I will continue the lesson and explain paragraph wise. So see here, as soon as the class had assembled, Miss Mason announced the winners. Jack Bagels had won for the boys, she said, and his design for an outboard motor was on exhibition in room number 12, along with the sketches by all the other boys. So when all the children came in and also teacher came in, Miss Mason and she announced the result. Jack Bagels had won for the boys, she said, and his designs for outboard motor, and it kept in room number 12 along with the sketches of other boys who were drawn in the drawing competition. Now see the next paragraph. As for the girls, she said, although just one or two sketches were submitted by most one girl, and room 13 should be proud of her. This one girl actually drew 100 dresses, 100 designs, all different and all beautiful. In the opinion of the judges, any one of the drawing is worthy of winning the prize. I am very happy to say that Wanda Pentrosky is the winner of the girls medal. So in this paragraph, authors want to say that what happened? She was announcing the result for the girls, and she said that most of the girl had drawn only one or two design, but one girl had drawn about 100 dresses design, and she said that room 13 is actually proud of that girl, and all designs were extremely beautiful. So the teacher also said that the judges who looked at these 100 designs said that each picture is worthy of winner of prize. So she announced the winner of the girls, that is Wanda Pentrosky, who won the medal from girls side. Now see the next paragraph. Unfortunately, Wanda has been absent from school for some days and is not here to receive the applause that is due to her. Let us hope she will be back tomorrow. Now, class, you may file around the room quietly and look at her exquisite drawings. So now so we know that Wanda has not been coming to school for the past 2 or 3 days, and she did not present there to receive the prize. So the teacher said the student go around the class and looked at all designs and every hope that maybe Wanda will come tomorrow. Now see here, the children burst into applause, and even the boys were glad to have a chance to stamp on the floor, put their fingers in their mouth and whistle, though they were not interested in dresses. Look, Peg, whispered Maddie. There's that blue one she told us about. Isn't it beautiful? Yes, said Peggy. And here's that green one. Boy, and I thought I could draw. So now, so all the students, when they looked the designs, and the girls really surprised to see the beautiful designs, and the boys who were not interested must put finger on the lips and not whistled in the class and not make noise. So They found the blue dress that described in the drawing. Peggy also found green dress that she had described, and she was surprised because she thought that she was the best artist.